Welcome back to the channel. Here I am setting up for 10 by 20 concrete pad that I will be building for my shed pavilion. And here goes the mud mixer and the bags of cement I got set up for the day's work, and see how it goes. Here I am putting the first couple bags of cement in the mud mixer that I rented for the weekend. Never done concrete work to this extent before, and I couldn't get a cement truck to the back of the yard without renting a truck that had a pump, and for that it was going to be too expensive, so I decided to go this way, which I only spent not even $500 some for the concrete, and the mud mixer was $189 rental for the weekend. Here goes the flow of the mud mixer. I started spreading out the concrete that was coming out. It wasn't a bad project using the mud mixer, but would I use it again? No, because in a few moments you're going to see how I had to stop and fix hard chunks of concrete that wouldn't break that smooth in it, and would stop the mud mixer from working, and just water would just come out. So that's one flaw that they should start working on the mud mixer, I believe. Once I started getting the concrete loose again in the mud mixer, I removed the grid that it has to stop these big chunks, but I still didn't catch them, so I just hit them with a stick until they came loose again, and the concrete mixer started working again. Nice little flow I started having, just dumping the bags in the mud mixer and just spreading it out, and it just became like a routine that I would just dump the bag and the mud mixer would do the rest. Here I'm just going to speed up the little process. You're just going to see me keep on working the bags with the mud mixer and just keep on spreading it out with the shovel and the rake that I have. Since this was going to be the only shed pad I was going to build, I found it not necessary to buy concrete tools that I'm just gonna store away and not use again. So I just used what I had. Everything has been going smooth. Here I'm about to get a 2x4, start smoothing it out and spreading it out. And take a quick break. Had to change shirts real quick because it was a toasty one. Here I am, just smoothing out the cement to the best I could. You know, everything had gone smooth, steady. There goes the mud mixer, just drying it out after I cleaned it out. And here I'm just trying to smooth the concrete as the best as I could. To my knowledge, I believe it came out great for a first timer doing concrete. But obviously I'm always going to get some comments saying, oh, you should have done this, should have done that. I could have, but to me, I liked how it came out. It's going to work for the project that I plan to do on it, which is a shed. And people told me to do the dry mix. I couldn't do the dry mix and stuff because I wanted it to last. So that's why I decided to go this way. Just rent the mud mixer. One side got harder than I couldn't believe how hard it got within not even 2 hours, maybe 3 hours. It was rock solid. You know, and this is all in one day. You know, it got hot. It was a hot day. But here goes the smoothing, and there goes my little helper right there. And stuff. You know, I was trying to smooth everything out to the best I could. Thank you for watching, and come back for the next videos for the shed. And there goes the pad that I finished, and it's to my liking. Here I am in front of the slab that I just finished this past weekend. Came out great, to my liking. Now I'm going to be starting the shed build within the next week or so.